Hello guys, I'm Roosevelt, and then in this video, I'll be showing you how to remove background from a transparent plastic bag in Adobe Photoshop. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Okay, so I have my plastic bag over here. What I'll do is I'll right click here and then select the object selection tool. And the next thing I'll do is to make a selection around my plastic bag over here. Gently make a select. It doesn't have to be perfect. Now let's wait for Photoshop to make a selection for us. Nice. Now we have our selection ready. If you're on Mac, just press Command J. But then if you're on Windows, press Ctrl J. After duplicating it, let's turn off the visibility of the main image. Then let's change this to duplicate one. Nice. So now we have duplicate one over here. So what we will do next is select the duplicate ones layer and then press Command Shift U. If you're on Windows, it's Control Shift U. And after pressing that, let's press Command Option 2. And then if you're on Windows, it's Control Alt 2. So after doing that, press Command J or Control J again, and then let's turn up let's change the name this one to duplicate 2. I don't want it to confuse us, that's why I've been naming it. So we have duplicate 1 over here, and then we have duplicate 2. Now let's select the main layer and let's add the solid color. So let's start with color like this. So this is okay. Now turn off the visibility of the duplicate 1. So if you have something like this, let's duplicate 2 and let's add a curves adjustment on top of it. Now clip the curves adjustments layer clip it to the duplicate 2. Then just push the blacks in a little bit. Let's push in the white. Something like this is okay. Let me adjust it. Nice. And then we are good to go. We've been able to remove the background from our transparent plastic bag. Now we can go ahead and then be changing the color. It will work really well. It worked really well. Okay guys, so this is how to easily remove background from transparent plastic bag in Adobe Photoshop. If you like this video and then haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Also like, comment and then share with others. See you in the next video.